Okay guys, I just want to come to y'all real quick, nothing too fancy, and just show y'all what I'm making. I'm making some fried mushrooms. I've already washed them. I know a lot of people like on HGTV and stuff like that, they always talk about just dusting, I'm sorry, not HGTV, Food Network. They always talk about just like dusting off, you know, just brushing off the mushrooms and stuff like that because it changes the texture. And it is true, it does change the texture. But I like to wash everything. And then plus my mom is just like, you need to be making sure that you wash everything. So, okay. Alright, so that was just some spelt flour, and I'm just pouring stuff into a bowl, okay? This is some rye, and I like to mix it because I found that it helps the batter to get a little bit more crispy. And I'm just pouring, now I'm gonna just pour a little bit of salt in here, and that helps a lot too. So, y'all, this is just a quick video, alright? I just wanted to come to y'all, show y'all a little something, okay? Because I feel like a lot of people think that I eat this gourmet way every day. Alright, and this is just some Perry water. Alright, so I'm gonna just pour it in here. And okay, I had to cut some stuff off because it gets quite loud in here. All right, so I know I'm gonna add some more, but you see now if this wasn't Perry water, I could put some more spices in here, some dried onion, some pepper flakes, some dulse flakes, some, you know, just a lot of good spices, right? And make some pan bread. But I typically don't use my Perry water for some pan bread, so I'm gonna keep stirring. And I want the batter to be runny, kind of like pancakes. Okay. So and this isn't the way that I eat every day, you know, this is really a treat. Typically, most days I just try to eat regular food. Like, I'll eat maybe 2 or 3 mangoes and an avocado, or I'll just chop up some salad, or I'll just throw some tomatoes and some coconut milk in my Vitamix and put it on soup mode. Like, I don't get too carried away about it. Okay. So this is about how I like it. There's still some clumps in there, but it's okay. It will be okay. Seriously. So I just want to show you how it's gonna stick to the batter. So you can break the pieces into however you want to break it into, but you see it just barely coats, and that's how you want it. Okay, that's how you want it to be. Now let's fry them. Okay, it's gonna go in the deep fryer, so it's kind of strange and weird, you know, like when you're cooking in your kitchen and you're just trying to make a video as well. You know, you gotta do some strange things so that you can share the video. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this one big like this. And, yeah. So once they're done frying, I'm going to just leave them. I'm gonna batter them. I'm gonna batter them up. I'm talking out of my head right now. It's been a long day. When I get finished frying them, I'm gonna season them up. I'm battering them up right now. So, yeah, it's been a long week, you know, but I know that a lot of times, like, I'm doing this mainly for my friends, like Anika, if you're watching, shout out. She's a super mom. She has 2 kids, star athletes. You may have seen her in the Yoni Steam video. She's an amazing queen. And I just want you to know, sis, that I am not making that lasagna every day of my life. Okay? Some days are very, very simple. Some days are just mangoes and avocados for dinner. Some days are just a whole cantaloupe for dinner. Some days are just a bowl of quinoa for dinner. Some days are just french fries and broccoli for dinner. You know, I had a break in my diet. I came off of being vegan, and I've learned some things, and I will share those things with you, and about a lot. It's deeper than just the food, as you all already know. You know, it's always deeper than just the food. Okay, so let's throw them in the fryer. Okay, so the lighting is darker over here, but I'm just gonna drop this in. I hope I can get it in. Alright. I don't know how long I'm gonna have these ready, so. Apologies about the volume, guys. Here I'm saying that I want them crispier, and I'm gonna drop them back in the grease for a little while. I just wanted to make this quick video for you all and not make it too fancy, so I could come with you all and show you guys how I really eat, you know, without having to do a whole bunch of editing, you know. Sometimes that cuts into homework time with my daughter. So hope you guys enjoy the video anyway. My sister doesn't like hers fried too hard, but I do. I like mine kind of crispy. And let's see, got more light over there. Just straight out of the grease right now. I like it. I think that my sister will like them too. Okay, I'm gonna season them up. Let me sprinkle some seasoning on. I'm holding the phone. This isn't a traditional recording, so let me just sprinkle some seasoning on real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so see, I just sprinkled a little onion powder, a little sea salt, and some dill. Like, nothing too fancy, and I think they look pretty delicious. So I'm just gonna do this for the rest of them. And then I might make some tahini goddess dressing to dip with them. Alright, that's it. So I just want to show you all how I pull them apart. This part here is the meatiest part, the stem. So when I pull them apart, I like to make sure that I'm pulling the stem, giving the stem some of the mushroom pieces, the stem here. Okay, So I like to just give those, like, leave the pieces meaty and chunky. I guess I can break that into another piece. Alright. So that ain't nobody but my sister. Hello? Okay. Oh, were you recording while I rang the doorbell? Yeah, but not like you care anyway. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. Well, at least I thought about everybody, okay? So, yeah. Hold on to your ass. So silly. So, you see, it's a lot on here. So, I'm just moving stuff around right now so that I can build my salad. I just want you guys to see like how much I actually was able to get for less than $10. And like Whole Foods, if you got a salad like this from Whole Foods, you would be spending like $20. I know, because I used to always go to Whole Foods for my salads. But and they used to have really good dressings there at Whole Foods too, but they don't anymore. So they have like the bottled stuff. They used to have like a really good Goddess dressing there, but I just made my own. So yeah, see, it's nothing fancy. I like beets. I like, you know, nothing fancy. It's not anything that I'm writing home to mama about. You see, I'm just kind of just making a salad. I'll try to make it prettier before I post a picture, you know, but bam, you know. And then I have my mushrooms and my dipping sauce, and that's it. Alright, and my sister is fussing at me to hurry up so she can get some, because I can't eat all these mushrooms. And then I stored the rest of the Goddess dressing in a jar. Alright, so I love y'all. My sister's saying peace. So I gotta go. Oh, and I'm gonna sprinkle some of these sunflower seeds on the let me go. Let me go. I'm getting the EY. All right. Vibrate love. Vibrate well. Peace.